Okay, this video is going to show you how to inspect and replace the spring for your release tab on a Singer bobbin that is for the featherweights, 221s and 301s. To start, there's a screw inside. You're going to need jeweler screwdrivers to do this, or one with a really fine small blade, and unscrew it like a regular screw, and out it pops. Now to release this, so you don't snap it, some people, I've seen these snapped, is lift it all the way out, and you want to push it back, and mine popped, which is good, but sometimes you get a lot of oil buildup on these, so it could be a little hard to slide. And then you just slide it out. You want to make sure you have your tab up all the way, because when it's in the lower position, I don't know if you can see, there's a little lip there, and that'll prevent it from coming out. So for inspection, your spring should stick out beyond this leading edge. So it sticks out about 1/16 of an inch. Now I've already replaced mine, so this is going to slide out easily. Sometimes these are get a little stuck, and you'd have to take your jeweler screwdriver to try to grab the lip and pull it out, because you can get crud buildup in there. And what I recommend too is getting another jeweler screwdriver that fits inside the hole, or if you have a really small drill bit, don't put it on the drill, just use it by hand and twist it in this direction. That would help free up if any of the spring breaks off inside, because sometimes when these get rusty, they'll be clogged in there, and you would have to get in this way to try to grab it, to pull it out. You know, with a very fine pick or jeweler screwdriver. So that'll just make sure that your hole's all cleared out. And assembly is just as easy as it came apart. And you want to blow out to make sure you get any crud. So if you had a rusted spring that was stuck in there. Now there's a little groove. This fits under the groove when you go back in, and make sure your tab's all the way in the up position. Push it all the way in till you can fold that down. And then it's a matter of dropping your screw back in, getting it up, and tightening it down. Now you just want this screw snug. You don't want to go too crazy, because it's a very small set screw, and it can break, can strip. You can split the head, all those which I've done. And if you do, don't worry too much. Now you don't want it loose that it falls and interferes with your bobbin in there. But if it does fall out or it's missing, I wouldn't worry too much, because when your spring is good, it's going to hold itself in place. It's not going to go anywhere. You saw what it took to remove it. And then also for adjusting your thread tension, here's where you come through it. Now I have a video showing how to thread the bobbin case. So when you pull your thread through this way, this is your tab. This first screw, this is a split screw. This is for adjusting your tension. And this is a stationary screw. This is flat in place. I usually remove these and clean off any buildup underneath the tabs. And when you install it, first install the tension screw first. Don't put it all the way down. Just get it into place so it holds your tab, and then secure this anchor screw, and then you can adjust everything and you'll be fine. And that should help. So that's how you inspect and replace the spring. Most of the times, if you buy a used one, you want to check that because so many of them are actually bad. And this has a pretty good tension now. So I hope that helps you.